Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another old mate's camp cook up for you, and what we're going to do tonight is a Thai barbecue chicken in the camp braai over the fire. We've got some corn cobs we're going to split, char them up, and we've got a lime jalapeno butter that we're going to spread over it afterwards, and a nice little Asian salad. But anyway, let's get into this. We're going to make the rub first for the Thai chicken. So what we're going to do first, you want about that many, maybe 6 or so coriander stems with the roots. Actually, I'll give that a wash. They're all washed up. You just want to chop them up into chunks. Alrighty, so we left little chunks like that. You want to grab your mortar and pestle. You want to chuck the cilantro, the coriander in there. Alright. Now, I'm going to add a pinch sea salt. About that. And you want to grind this till we get it to a nice pulp. Okay, so just getting that to a nice pulp, and there, it's all breaking down like that. Bloody beautiful that. Check out this backdrop, eh? All gums, white gums there. We're in the beautiful Avon Valley National Park, camping for a few nights. Bit of exploring. Oh, it's a magical place. I'll throw some footage of where we are. There's a lovely lookout just not far from where we're camping. Alrighty, so we've got coriander all mushed up. Now, just put that to the side. And I want 6 garlic cloves. I'm just going to chop them up. It's roughly, everything's getting pounded. You want to try and do this rub, I don't know, about 4 hours before you're ready, so you can let it sit in the fridge. At least 4 hours, I'd say. Longer the better. Just want to let it soak into the chicken. Just like that. Go, you got your garlic all chopped. Chuck that in. And again, I'll grab that, smush it around a bit more and break it all up. Just want to release all them flavours out. Get all pulpy like that. Brilliant. Alright, you want about 3 spring onions chopped. Parked on a bit of a hill today and everything's wanting to roll off my bench. onions in. Just like that. Now you want 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Just like that. I've kept some of the coriander for afterwards to sprinkle on top. I'm going to serve it up with some lime wedges. Anyway, we'll keep going with this, pounding this all together. Anyway, I'm going to keep pounding away at this, get a bit mushed down all of that, and I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, I've been pounding away for a while, and that's what we're looking at. If you can all see that. Got a nice chunky marinade there. Alright, so we're going to grab the chicken out. I just grabbed this out before, and grab a plate. Alright. Just got some boneless thigh fillets there. I'll lay a few out. Like that. Alrighty. Bear with me. Few like that. Grab our spoon. Just going to spread a bit across. Spread it out. Get it all over everything. Lovely. That's one layer. Like that. I'm going to layer them up. Keep going. And get myself some wipes so I can wipe my hands. I'll do that. I'll do another layer. Like that. Bit more rub. Spread it out over everything. No, I'll just keep layering that up with the chicken. And yeah, chuck that in the fridge, and then next part will be over at the fire. So stay tuned for that. Next we'll make up the butter for the corn. And then yeah, once sun goes down, we'll let that refrigerate for a while. Yeah, we'll get the fire cranking, get the coals, and we'll get onto it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so for the corn, quite simple. We're just going to prep the corn, little corn cobbets. chop him in half. Like that. Straight enough. I'll keep chopping them, put them back in the fridge, they're all ready to go. Okay, butter, unsalted. You want about 125 grams, about there. I've had this sitting out, so it's up to room temperature. Chuck that in there. In the bin. What I'm going to do is just break it up so it's easier when we mix it. Right there, just like that. That can go away. You want about a tablespoon lime juice. So I'm just going to go one whole lime straight in there. Just in there like that. Okay, you want 2 tablespoons of jalapenos in brine, but you want to drain the brine. What we're going to do, we're going to chop them up. I reckon a couple more, eh? Never go wrong. That. Chop them. How peaceful is it, Eddie? I don't know if you can hear the birds chirping in the background. Bloody lovely. Alright, so that's our jalapeno chopped. Guys, time has come to cook up this chicken. It's been marinating for 3-4 hours. So we're going to chuck it in the bro bag. So we're just going to lay it out just like that. Oh, it smells amazing, that marinade. Quite a few here. We've got a few, 3 boys, hungry boys. Probably too much, but lunch tomorrow. Alright, I'm just going to wash my hands. Actually no, I won't. I'll slide that in for now. We can do this one-handed. Slide that in. And like that. There we have it. Chicken on. So now we'll head over, cook some coals down we have, and we'll chuck that on top. I'm just going to put it on top of the fire pit tonight. I'm not going to use the actual frame. And yeah, we'll get it barbecued up and looking good, and then we'll whack the corn on. Alright guys, got the chicken off. She's looking good, look at that. Got a nice golden tone on it. Alright, I'm going to sit this aside, we're going to chuck the corn on, and then, yeah, once that's done, put it all together and we'll show you. Should be good. Alright guys, the corn is grilled, we've tossed it through the butter. Look at that. How good does that look? So you've got your jalapeno butter there. Alright, I'm going to plate it up and then we'll do a little bit of bead roll on it. And then we're going to get stuck into it and enjoy it and crank this fire up. So I'll wrap it up there, guys. Thanks again for watching.